Hi, my name is Catherine Vachon. Today we are going to do the Alia Vantour together. It's a van with a central interior shower. This feature is very appreciated by our customers, so let's get started. The Alia model is done in a ProMaster extended, making it 21 feet long. This allows us to have a private bathroom inside. All our units can accommodate 2 to 4 passengers, and they are 4-season compatible. This means they can be used all year round, even in the very cold winter of Quebec. First of all, the look is very important. At Vanlife, we ensure we offer a warm atmosphere and a modern and bright design. Our cedar ceilings, one of our signatures at Vanlife, are coriander white. We also have windows in the kitchen and the sliding door. They offer a lot of light, giving a very airy and pleasant look. When you open the van door, you find yourself in the lounge area. It's a space with a bench and lagoon table. This space can be used for working, as a lunch counter, or simply a relaxing space for reading a good book. For 4 passengers, we have the rear bench. The bench seat is retractable, taking up very little space once it is lowered and raised. There's a second lagoon table which can be installed in front of the bench to create another workspace or dinner table. The advantage of having a lagoon table near the sliding door is that it can be placed outside and used as a counter. You can even use it as a cup holder when spending time enjoying nature, whether outside with friends or family. In a passenger format, the bench seat is replaced by a sofa. This adds a space to relax and also provides beautiful storage thanks to the compartments underneath. Next, let's discuss the kitchen. It's a fully equipped kitchen that offers plenty of storage. There are lots of drawers, cabinets, and a divided trash can to separate waste from recyclables, which is incredibly convenient. It's a versatile space where you can store both kitchen accessories and personal effects like household products. The kitchen is amazingly spacious. In terms of appliances, it has everything you need to cook, just like you do at home. The kitchen includes a sink with hot and cold water and a 12-volt 4.3 cubic feet refrigerator with an integrated freezer. It's big enough to store plenty of food and doesn't consume much power. You have a single induction hob, and with an upgrade, you can get a dual 1,800 watt induction hob. There's also the option of a toaster type oven with a power wattage of 1,500. It's ideal for preparing tasty meals. Moving on to the plumbing, we offer a water reserve of 86 liters and a hot water reserve of 27 liters. There's a fresh water system for potable water with 2 18-liter bottles placed under the sink. This means there are 2 separate water management systems, each on different 12-volt pumps. One system is for dishwashing or supplying the indoor and outdoor shower. The other is specifically for safe drinking water straight from the sink. Beneath the valve, we have a gray water management system, including a tank capable of holding up to 65 liters. There's also a disposal system with a valve. In the kitchen, we also have the main control panel. It's positioned right next to the sink, and I'll explain what it entails. This main control panel manages the 12-volt pumps, lights, Webasto heating, USB outlets, and 120-volt outlet. There's also a secondary control panel located above the sliding door. On this panel, we find the central light switch and the inverter on-off system, which allows for activation of 120 volts, operation of appliances, and the water heater. Our systems are 4-season. That means they have to be operational and comfortable both in summer and winter. For the winter, we use a Webasto system, which is a very powerful 12,000 watt heating system. We also have insulation using rock wool, allowing us to achieve an insulation level of R10 depending on the section of the vehicle. These systems were made locally in Quebec by people who know what a cold winter is, so they can withstand temperatures down to -25. So we're well covered, there's no problem. Now, let's move to the highlight, the star of the Alia. That is the centralized monocoque shower. It's like a private bathroom. It provides a nice level of privacy. Let me show you right away. Here is the spacious shower where we have also integrated a cartridge toilet which can be left inside while showering, but can also be easily moved around for maximum comfort. The shower area also doubles as storage space. We've added a pole to convert the space into a wardrobe when needed. In the winter, it's super convenient for hanging up coats, drying your gear, storing your skis. Personally, I have 2 young children who are 2 and 4, so we do have quite a few baby seats to manage. We use the shower area when we arrive at our destination to store the baby seat. It's very convenient, it frees up space, and everyone appreciates it. Let's move to the bedroom. So the room can accommodate 1 or 2 double bunk beds. The beds are adjustable and can also be fixed. Depending on the desired configuration, the space under the bed, called the garage, becomes another very spacious storage location. The bedroom beds are 74 inches by 54 inches, intended for people up to 6 feet too tall. Just a note, the boxes you see behind me, as well as those above the bed, are open boxes. We have tested them thoroughly. The accessories inside stay in place. There's no danger with that. However, we also offer the option of adding doors to close the boxes. Regarding the ventilation system on the ceiling, you will find 1 or 2 max fans depending on your choice. As a standard, we offer 2 max fans, but a max fan can also be combined with a skylight or an air conditioning option. We also offer opening windows with mosquito nets at both the sliding door and the kitchen. It is very important to ventilate your vehicle well, especially in winter, to control the humidity level. We advise you to create a circulation with the max fans. A max fan will pull the air and another will push it, turning in the opposite direction. In the rear of the vehicle, we have the garage. Within this space is where the electrical box is located, which includes the 300 amp lithium batteries. These are self-heating batteries and a 3000 watt inverter system. When combined with solar power, this allows for complete self-sufficiency. Most importantly, it functions without propane. By default, these vehicles are equipped with 310 watt solar panels. If needed, you also have the option to add more. In summary, the vehicle recharges several ways. It could be while driving or from the solar panels on a sunny day, or by being connected to 15 or 30 amps. Before we finish, it's important to know that we've showcased the basic ELYA model, but Vanlife offers a multitude of options. You can add things like an all-bed water-wind system, a rooftop all-bed box, a terrace. We mentioned skylights earlier, air conditioning, a Line-X ladder, a step stool. So there are many items you can add to your vehicle to make it perfect for you. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the ELYA. If you have any questions or are considering a purchase, please visit our website. There's plenty more information there. Alternatively, you can send us an email or give us a call. We have an incredible team. They'd be more than happy to assist you with all of these. Thanks.